the Remote Accountants and Traders channel. I'm your host, Vince, and today I'm going to do another video about Costco here. So it's going to be a little short video kind of following up with what happened today in the market. Guys, here you can see my disclaimer here. You can just pause the screen and read that. Remember that trading is inherently risky, so just do your own research before placing any trades, and I'm not trying to suggest to buy anything in particular, just kind of doing an educational channel that we can kind of talk about different securities and different investments, so that way you guys can have a more informed decisions. In any case, here's Costco here today. Costco actually had a little bump up today at 481.97. It basically closed yesterday around the 481 range, a little slight $1 movement. You can see that over here. Let's see, go the one-day view right there. Or start off down at actually 479 is what they're saying the opening was at, and then it ended the day here at 481.97. Basically closing right now after hours at 482. So, which is good. Kind of going into tomorrow's market, and we have a earnings call for Costco at the end of the market tomorrow. And I brought that up here so we can kind of see what's expected here. The earnings per share is $3.16 expected. The revenue expected is $54.68 billion. So we'll see. You'll see down here that Costco has consistently beat earnings per share and the revenue for the past 4 quarters here. Costco did have an announcement. That's one of the reasons why it went down this month. It was trading at 539 and then had a announcement about sluggish sales, and so that's why it has taken a dip. So it looks like that probably the they're going to have a report that would be hard to kind of mimic what we have down here. So we'll see what happens, though. We never know. But the real question is, of course, too, is that where is Costco going to go? Is it going to take a big jump up to 490 or 500, even above that, or is it going to go dive further down depending on the report there? So we'll see about that. I had mentioned yesterday about the option strategy that, if you like owning shares anyway, that Costco or companies like it that take dives like this, so you could actually put in a put order and own those shares at a discount. And so Costco is one of those companies where that might be a wise thing to do, considering that they're a stable company, relatively speaking, and that Costco, we do anticipate still generating revenues for years to come. So in any case, it's definitely a reception time, and that's another consideration too, not only because of the earnings per share, a piece of it too, but also for the company itself. Like, is the company positioned for a recession type economy? And Costco is one of those companies where people look for great deals, look for good bargains to have, and so it is kind of positioned itself to be a company that people still go to even during times of recession. So it'll be interesting to see with the earnings report tomorrow. Again, that's going to be December 8th after market hours. I'll post another video on this because it will be interesting to see. I've posted a couple already. You guys can see those prior videos here on my channel. But we'll have one more video to do a follow-up. It probably won't be right after market tomorrow. It might be even the next day to kind of have both the earnings report and show what happened to the stock on that, because it'd be kind of interesting to see where it went. Typically with earnings calls, I don't like to look at options for buying the stock because it could jump up or down. You just never know. Even that's true with options. But with a particular company, again, that you might want to own anyway, sometimes it's an interesting analysis to do to say, hey, would I like to own this and have this in my portfolio? So Costco's, for me at least, it's definitely one of those companies that has just been around for a while, that when it has a discount, that even if it goes down, you could own those shares and have some assurance that over the long run it's going to go up. So anyway, guys, I promise to keep this short here. I hope you guys have enjoyed these last several videos here on Costco. And for the remote accountants, they're a part of my group too, by the way, that are seeing some of these videos. Guys, if you're looking for job opportunities, do check my Facebook group. The link is there in my channel. It's down here. If you go to the About page, you see this Facebook accounting group. There's definitely job opportunities for accountants, so that way you guys can check that group that's on there. And so you guys can see that, and also see other videos that are posted on this channel to help out both accountants and traders, that you can see those videos that I've done historically. Okay, guys, we'll take care. I'll catch you in the next video.